I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm doing another one brand tutorial testing out the brand World Organics. I have never used any of their products before, so this is going to be a good opportunity for me to see exactly what they're like and do an honest review for you guys. So these have been sent out to me by Carolyn from World Organics, so thank you so much. I'm going to list all of her details in the description box below as well. She's very kind to offer you guys a discount code, so be sure to head down there, check it out and use it if you want to get any of these goodies that I'm using today. A little bit about World Organics if you guys haven't heard from them. It's a family business devoted to natural beauty and well-being. I'm reading this off my phone because I do not have a good memory. Mum brain is well in force. Oh my gosh. They do have a large vegan range in their range. They have a lot of certifications and seals and everything here, which is awesome. And of course they are a cruelty-free company as well. One thing that I have noticed, because I have looked at their packaging already, is the one product, one tree initiative, which I was like, what is this? So basically they're saying for every organic skincare co-product that you purchase, we promise to plant one tree. Let's help the environment together. Here are some goodies. Now she did actually send me a free gift as well, so thank you so much. I haven't actually tried this out yet, but it looks amazing. This is their Carefree Cleansing Milk. It is vegan, it has very, very natural ingredients. It actually is quite kind of dense feeling. I like this packaging, it feels really nice. So in this box there are a lot of these little pods. She pretty much sent me a combination of things for me to create pretty much a full face. So there is a cheeky lip pod here, the eyes have it pod, lots and lots of pods. She also sent me this baby. So inside here is a little quad, and basically it's like a Z palette in a way. You can put in your own little pods, there's a mirror, and you can basically customize and make your own palette. Hazel is very excited about this, as you guys can tell. Aren't you, girl? Yeah. So I'm going to basically insert all of these into my little palette, and then we'll get right into the video. So I've got a Eyes Have It pod here, which I am going to open up. So this is vegan. Ooh, oh my gosh. Looks like we're doing a smoky eye. So this actually says on the packaging, you just planted one tree. So here we have the palette. So this is a cream-based palette. We have two concealer colors here. We have this cheek and lip color here, and also this I think is a cheek and lip color as well. Who's to say you can't double them as eye colors? You have these eyeshadow colors. This one you could easily use as a liner, which I'm going to do today. So we've got a gold, a nice taupe color, and a charcoal shade. So I'm excited. Don't have a primer on. We'll just see how these products perform, how they blend, and go from there, hey? So I'm going to start off with this color, and I'm just gonna wash this into my lid. Oh, so this is actually lighter than what I thought it would be. So I might just spread this baby out over my lid. We'll get a nice base happening. Next, I'm gonna go in with this golden color here, and just in that inner portion of my eye. I'm also gonna apply this underneath my brows because it is quite a light shade. I'm going to move on to the grey colour. Oh, so this seems to be not as kind of soft as some of the other colours. Like, it is soft and still creamy, but it's not as, I think, wet in a way, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to pat this onto my lid. Ooh, it is a nice colour. I'm going to dust this into the crease. This is like so insanely easy to blend and work with. Like, it's not hard at all. It's like the easiest smoky eye. The dark color that I said I was going to use as a liner, I'm going to go in with that now. So I've got this on the other end of the brush, and just in that outer corner, I'm just going to build up some intensity. And that is pigmented. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Go back in with the fluffier side and start to blend this together. This honestly is so easy. Like, it is so easy. Just gonna go back in with a clean brush and just kind of blend out this excess. Because one thing is, when you dip the brush into these kind of products, a lot of color stays. Coughing, sweetheart. A lot of product does stay on the brush here, so I'm just using a completely clean one, nothing on it, just to blend that out. So even though the black does look insanely intense, especially when you first put it on, blending it with a fluffier brush is really, really simple, and you can kind of blend it away almost to nothing. So I think if you want to really intensify a look, make it very, very smoky, you may need to just go back in and build up a few layers of color. Now I want to make the black a little bit more intense. So I'm gonna go in and start doing like a patting kind of motion rather than a sweeping. So this will start to intensify that smokiness. Surprisingly, so far, I haven't had any creasing or anything like that, which I think is pretty cool. I'm now gonna go in with almost like a lip brush and dip into that black color again, and we're gonna do this as liner. So I'm gonna do this along my waterline, and it is really, really intense, as you guys can see. Wow, that is so, so, so intense. Just makes your eyes pop so much more. So I'm just gonna blur away any kind of harshness. This will make sure that the darkest part of that color is on my waterline. So that is how my eyes are looking so far. I'm actually really impressed with that, especially for a cream shadow, which are notorious for not being very pigmented and creasing and everything like that. I haven't had any creasing. It's been super pigmented and just blended beautifully. So I am impressed. I'm now going to try some of their concealer colors. So I'll go in with this one on this side. Oh, it is beautiful and soft and just creamy goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know how some kind of concealers can be quite stiff and quite hard to blend? This is definitely not one of those. Like, it just seems to melt into your skin and just perfect it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. All right, I'll go in with the other one just to kind of see difference-wise, texture and stuff like that. So this one is a little bit more kind of pink-based, where the other one was slightly more yellow-based. Again, beautiful, beautiful concealer. I have just done a very, very simple bit of powder contour, and I have added some mascara to my lashes as well. So I'm going to go in with some of these blush colors. I think I might start with this one. It has a really nice shimmer to it. Oh my gosh, it is super, super pretty. I'm just gonna see how it goes picking some up on a brush. So that works quite well. All right, I'm gonna try some of this one as well. This one does seem to be a bit more of a wetter type product, creamier product. Ooh, whoo, whoo, that is bright. I'm just gonna dust off the excess. Oh, it's so pretty. It just blends like a dream. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. I'm going to apply the brighter color on my lips now as well. On the lips, it doesn't seem to be as bright as it was on the cheeks, which I actually think works really nicely. It just gives it more of a softer kind of sheen and glow. I'm just going to use that lighter color as a highlight as well. It does have a really nice kind of goldy hue to it. Oh, that is so pretty. And because it's a cream, it just really amps up that kind of glow, glossy factor, which I really, really like. I'm going to have to show you guys in sunlight because this ring light is not doing it justice. Here we have the finished look. I don't think I've ever done a smoky eye that quickly before. I am actually very impressed with these products. As I said before, I'm not really one that use as much cream products. So having like a full eye of cream eyeshadows is just like amazing, for it to have turned out this way, to not have creased, to still be really, really pigmented and just a dream to blend. Oh my gosh, I'm very, very impressed. I'm ready to take on the day. I actually have to go grocery shopping. So grocery shopping with a smoky eye, but I'm just gonna be even more fabulous. I am just quickly ducking outside to show you guys what this looks like in natural light. Ooh, bit of sunlight right there. I just wanted to update you guys on how this is looking makeup wise. I've had this on for maybe 5 hours. I've been like madly cleaning the house, did grocery shopping, all that jazz. So this is how it is still looking. The shadows have a tiny, tiny little bit of creasing, but not much at all. I do have a bit of color kind of in that inner corner that's just smudged there a little bit. But other than that, it is a freaking hot day. I'm like sweating my ass off, and I still think it's looking really, really good. So, bonus! So thank you Rainbow so much for watching. I'm going to list Carolyn's page in the description box below. All of the products that I use will be down there as well, listed, as well as the discount code for my subscribers. So yay! Thank you Rainbows. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Who's beautiful? Who's a gorgeous girl? Hey, you are. Yes, you are.